Together.
Yes, I just want to pass on a small message for our brothers our Southern Cameroonians and the Northwest Cameroon, in short Cameroon entirely. Yes, I dey like for tell una say we dey fix the road so na for good for all. We will not stand here today na for bad, na for good, and we no dey after any person. Yes, instead when you come into wheel and the brothers could help for show you road so that you be fine. Like the setting orders the way they do for government, they work for government, the house will work so. But if you not shoot military, military no go shoot no man. If you not find military, military no go find you. So the earlier the better, armor wise, it could be better. So they just talk this talk, like just because normally why we will be attacked Mabunchi? Now because Ngongo people they collide with Amba, they for plant bomb for road, which is not correct. So I don't want to make that thing happen again. Any village over here, so bam.
One day. I saw it day.
Any village, as usual, always talk am.
I saw it day.
So far, Brosco, when you get small people, advise them. I want you to go to. I'm Mabunji day. Yes. So I thank you now. So if you get anything to talk with them, you give the advice. Voila.
Yes. I don't get much to talk. The only thing I fit talk, my brothers them. We no mean as so we can find una. All we na brother, we no suppose to kill ourselves.
Simple.
If we na leave some continue fix our road, we no go a problem now.
Fix our at least we go in Monday side.
We go on Monday side quiet. If we no find trouble, we do not find trouble.
Confirm.
If we see you so pass, we no get with time. But if we say we no find trouble, okay, we should be prepared for una.
Correct.
Yes. If we no make trouble, no just leave and move fix our road quiet.
We go on Monday side, we go Bakasi.
We go outside, we go quiet. Na tu na children na quiet, we no go find una.
Yes.
So na continue find problem, okay.
Thank you now. Okay, Papa. Right. Confirm. See how a place won't be fine. See Mabunji way. Mabunji won't be in a bad place. Mabunji don't come on in this.